Hello, my lovely students. My name's Pam and welcome back to my YouTube channel of quick 6-minute lessons for the PTE. Today, I'm going to teach you a second lesson on the PTE essay. At our last lesson, 8A, I taught you how to plan the essay. Today, I'm going to teach you how to write the essay. And do you know why the essay is worth so many points in PTE? Well, do you need to just write an essay for PTE and then never use these skills again? Of course not. Let's say you go on to university. You'll need to write essays there, of course. Let's say you go on to work in business. You may need to write reports, and you'll need essay writing techniques to make your reports stronger and more persuasive. Finally, essay writing skills are basically arguing skills, right? So let's say you want to win an argument in English with a friend or with a co-worker or with your partner. You can use the techniques you learn for essay writing. Essay writing skills are useful skills in many situations. So I hope you pay attention to today's lesson. Okay, so last lesson, remember I told you there are 3 steps to writing a good essay. 1, plan. 2, write. 3, check. Last lesson, I showed you how to plan a PTE essay using a very simple essay question, dogs are better than cats. Today, I'm going to show you step 2 and 3. I'll take all of the information from last lesson's plan and use it to do step 2, write, and step 3, check. Remember, you should spend 12 minutes on step 2 writing the essay and 5 minutes on step 3 checking the essay. So, let's begin with step 2, write. To write a good PTE essay, use my outline. This is my outline. Now you can see it includes what every good essay needs: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Now let's look at each one of those. First, the introduction. The point of the introduction is to introduce all the important ideas. So you write your opinion, 2 reasons supporting your opinion, 1 reason against your opinion, and then you write 1 sentence saying that the reasons supporting your opinion are more important than the reason against it. Like this: dogs are better than cats. Dogs like humans, and they are very trainable. Some might say that cats are easier to look after. However, in my opinion, this is not a strong enough reason to overlook the advantages of dogs. Notice how I said "some might say" before giving the reason against my opinion? That's a great way to show the reason against an opinion. Now, the body. The point of the body is to give the reasons why your opinion is right. So to make the body, we're going to create 3 separate paragraphs. Body paragraph 1 is about 1 reason supporting your opinion. Body paragraph 2 is about the 2nd reason supporting your opinion. And body paragraph 3 is about the 1 reason against your opinion. So for body paragraphs 1 and 2, use this pattern: reason supporting your opinion, then explanation for that reason, then an example if you can. And that's all. Let's see what that looks like in an example. Dogs like humans. They offer comfort. For example, my dog always greets me with a wagging tail. Now body paragraph 2 is exactly the same pattern. Look, there's the reason. There's the explanation for the reason. And there's an example. Okay? Body paragraph 3 is a little bit different to body paragraphs 1 and 2. The point of body paragraph 3 is to say why anyone who disagrees with your opinion is wrong. So for it, you just give 1 reason against your opinion, and then you say why that reason is unimportant. Like this: it is true that cats are easier to look after than dogs. However, there are many more advantages to dogs. Okay? See how I expressed that, yes, there is one good thing about cats, but then I crushed it by saying that there are more good things about dogs. That is a simple, effective trick to make your opinion seem stronger. And now we move on to the conclusion. In the conclusion, you need to restate the introduction and add an implication. So let's restate the introduction like this. In conclusion, dogs provide friendship and support to humans, but cats do not. Even though cats are easier to look after, dogs are better friends. Then add an implication, like this. This makes dogs the better choice for pet owners. Okay? So we have completed step 2. We wrote the essay. That wasn't so hard, right? But don't relax yet. We still need to do step 3, check. Okay, so check 2 things. First, word count. Second, spelling. Check the word count first. How many words does it have? You should aim for 200 to 300 words. Fewer than 200, you'll lose points. Fewer than 120 words, and you won't get any points, 0 points. So be careful. Today's example essay is not long enough for a PTE test. So remember, watch the next lesson to see what a real PTE level essay should look like. It's done. You know how to write and check an essay. So just remember, there are 3 steps to an essay. 1, plan. 2, write. 3, check. And remember, when you write your essay, use my outline. Now, as you know, I only used simple examples to teach you these techniques. So you still need to do more study. So please watch my next video, Lesson 8C Essay Challenge, where I will apply these same techniques to a difficult PTE level essay question. I'll show you an essay worth the top score of PTE, 90. And don't forget to keep going with your self-study. People lose a lot of points just from silly spelling mistakes. So try to memorize the spelling of words you need for essays. Or, if you want to learn more about essay writing, I can help you online. You can learn a lot of English and techniques for tests like PTE and IELTS. It's useful for getting visas, business, and even high grades at university. But it's only 20 minutes of study a day, includes live lessons and a student community. So you talk and practice with friends. Easy and fun, right? Check neo-english.com. There's a 7-day free trial to understand our program. Try it. And if you want me to support you one-to-one, we offer a private tutoring package too. Private lessons are often an effective way to really improve essay writing because you can get direct, immediate feedback. As well, I can give you an analysis of your strengths and weaknesses. I have had to help with the English of many essays, business reports, graduate papers, etc. over the years. So if you need help, I'd love to help you too. Anyway, as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it useful. Please click subscribe if you did. And I'll see you at our next lesson, 8C Essay Challenge. See you then. And